Welcome to Maths World YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. Today this video will talk about chapter number 2, exercise 2.8, question number 9. Question number 9 is statement is find the two integers whose difference is 4 and whose sum squares differ by 72. So as accordingly the required integers are x and y, and x minus y is equals to 4 and x square minus y square is equals to 72. Let them as equation 1 and equation number 2. Now you are going to simply solve them by deriving the values. So now x minus 4 is equals to 1. This can be the derived value, and you can put in the equation number 2. That can be x square minus x minus 4 whole square is equals to 72. X square minus x square plus 4 4 are 16 and minus 4 2 are 8x is equals to 72. Now x square minus x square, then minus 16 and plus 8x equals to 72. This can be cancelled, plus minus. Now 8x would be here and 72 plus 16 would be moved to the other side. Now you are going to simply add 72 into 16 and you will get here 72 minus 16 would be equals to, how much equals to, it would be equals to 56. And so you have to add it, just add it, 88, you have to get 88, and x is equals to 88 by 8. So now what we will do, I hope you understand this concept, we have minus it, and otherwise also other concepts also we just minus and then got it plus, and 8x would be here and 16 would be moved here. All these concepts are very easy, you can understand it. 2 4s are 8 and 2 44, 4 1s are and 4 11s are. So x is equals to 11. I always do like easy methods so that you can understand. We don't depend on calculator properly, so that we should have some skills, and if we don't have calculators, so we should at least solve the questions of maths. So now we have to put the value of x in equation number 1, that is x minus 5 equals to 4, 11 minus 5 is equals to 4, and 11 minus 4 is equals to 5, and 11 minus 4 would be equals to 7, 7 is equals to 5. So now the required numbers are, you write required integers, you can write integers are 11 and 7. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. And if you have any problem, any queries, you can ask me in the comment section.